I would like to show the world what I have to deal with. First of all, we have Elvis here. Elvis? Elvis. Don't get smart with me, Elvis. Elvis. Something's wrong with your lip. Okay. Something's wrong with your lip. I just found my cat over here attacking this. What's this, Nene? What are you doing in here? What were you doing inside of here? Trying to get these cookies, huh? You're trying to get a cookie? Were you trying to get a cookie? Were you trying to get one of these cookies? Oh. Nobody believes me that my cat eats cookies. But she was just attacking this cookie. She wants to eat it so bad, but she only has one tooth. Do you see this? It's too hard. It's much too hard. What are you going to do with this cookie? She'll fight me for it if I try to take it away. Here, Nene, I'm going to take this cookie away. You can't have it. Ow! Okay, fine. Have the damn cookie. That's disgusting and weird. Psychopath. My cat eats sugar cookies. She's 18 years old. She's gone mad over it. She's a cookie zombie. I'm telling everybody that you're eating cookies, even the vet. And when she asks how you live so long, I'm going to say, well, I feed my cat sugar cookies. Clearly, like everybody else in the world. Okay. That's Nene.